enter Tinder promo code. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to enter Tinder promo code to unlock exciting features. Make sure you have the promo code ready before you proceed. To claim or redeem the promo code, begin by opening any browser and typing on the search bar tinder.com, the official website of Tinder. Once the Tinder website loads, scroll down to find the various options categorized under different headings. Look for the FAQ section, usually located on the right side of the page. At the end, you will find the option to enter a promo code. Click on it and a dialog box will appear where you can input the promo code you have. After entering the code, click on the submit button. You have successfully entered the promo code, unlocking the associated features on Tinder. It's a fantastic way to access premium perks and enhance your overall experience on this platform. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.